Go. All right. Man, I've been getting some messages for some people. Man, work's getting in the way. Work's getting in the way of them. Did I just hit a target? Hang on. Oh my God, I just targeted out on TPR. What? Yeah, they're like, man, I can't join for a while. Work is getting me, and oh, that sucks. But hey, end of the day, I understand, right? But y'all are here with me, so that's good. Yeah. People have to work, especially at the end of the year, right? Things are coming in, but we're going to make some money, and that's just the way it is. All right. But so people will kind of come in and out because people are telling me, look, I'm going to try to jump in, but I might have to jump out. So we'll see. We'll see, which gives us more time to make money and chat amongst ourselves. So let's see what we got. So I just targeted out on TPR. Let me write that down while we're waiting. 3 minutes. So I got a couple minutes here. So good morning, everyone. This is beautiful. Just targeted out on TPR, right? Plus 50% within 5 days. There we go. Right? TPR, I think that's what it was. Just got a couple seconds here. Just kind of setting up. We always wait 3 minutes. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. Yep. And again, we got lots. I'll be doing a lot more talking about crypto. I can guarantee you that, my friends. Because I'm going to be selling a lot this go around. A lot. And I don't want to miss it. All right. I'll be selling a lot. All right, I'm going to go ahead and mark 75.50. If y'all have any questions, obviously, y'all are pretty solid now. I know you're confident. But if you do have any questions, just type them in, my friends. Type them in. 75.50. It's going to be the first level. 67. 67. All right. Good to go. I'm going to be looking to go long right off the bat, my friends. So let me see what I got over here setting up. Oh, we're going to have to move that key level. I didn't realize it was going to shoot up like that, but I'm going to be looking at probably those 96s. 96s, okay? All right. Let's go ahead. I'm going to change it now. There we go. 76. I'm going to be looking to take a pop-up. What's up, Brandon? What's going on, Brandon? You're looking to take a pop-up through 76. All right. Good morning, my man. Let's do it. Here we go. Advanced only, right? Now, in the first 15 minutes, I'm only shooting for five points on the 5 ES points. 5, that's it. Just 5. So I'll be taking profit at 2 points and then 5 points. And again, if you haven't, I'm not going to be calling out like the rules on this. I'm just going to be saying the different setups. So again, in the members area, y'all know all the setups. But if you have any questions, obviously just type them in. All right. I'm going to erase that. Oh, I thought that line drew it already. My bad. Here we go. See if we can get some pop up through here, up through this key area. Here we go. I am going to just draw a line for my reference. I'll tell you what I'm doing, though. Y'all know that. I say everything. I'll tell you when I get in, when I get out. All right. I'm going to wait. Okay, just keep waiting. Not yet. I'm not going to enter there yet. I'm just going to watch this action, see what we got. Takes for 578. Again, I do a lot of talking, right, to keep us out of trouble. Again, if you saw XRP, that sumbitch shot up to like $1.40 something, man. That was crazy. I can't wait till XRP starts hitting $8, $10, $12. Then I'm gonna be. That's gonna be where it's like, okay, shit's getting real now. I gotta take some deep thought. What's gonna happen? But we've got that. If you want to talk about crypto, I'm going to be talking about crypto in our Telegram group. I wanted to keep it separately. So make sure y'all join that Telegram group. I didn't see that y'all joined yet, but if y'all want to talk crypto, that's where you want to join. Because I'm going to even be doing some live streams and some podcasts talking about crypto. But, you know, so it's going to be different. I'm really juggling how I want to do it, but I'm only want people in that Telegram group that are into crypto, want to make some money, and they're cool as shit. I don't want like jerks in there. Like, y'all are cool, obviously. Where's Mark, man? Again, it's also the holidays. I've got a lot of messages that people for the holidays, I guess they just kind of not really trading around right now. To me, every day I do it, right? Market's open, I trade unless I'm out of town. And that's how we do it, full time, right? We're here to make a full-time income. And again, you're winning. Making a lot of money is nothing more than having a system and then scaling up, right? Like, for example, we know we've been doing great. Imagine if you would have did 50 contracts or 100 contracts. You'd be making a full-time income like that. The more confidence you get in your process, the more you can scale up. Right now, I'm going to just erase that. Nothing going on right now. These have been hitting some targets, which is really good because some of those trades were they were kind of underwater for the first day or two. Yeah. Oh, yes. I forgot about that. John, not a boy. I forgot, John. John said we have a red item at 845. You're right. Flash manufacturing, PMI. Okay. So that's going to definitely. Thanks, John. I forgot about that. There we go. 6 minutes. So it's looking like that. I'm probably not going to be able to get a trade before that. Right? Let's see. Was it flash manufacturing? 845 red item. Copy. I'm going to go ahead and put that in our group. Just type it there. 845 flash manufacturing PMI. All right. What's up, Malik? What's up?
Good morning.
Hey, what's going on, brother? What's happening? Nothing doing yet, my friend. Nothing doing yet.
Okay. Another learning day.
Yeah, right? Another day.
Yeah.
We do have a news item coming up here pretty soon, but we'll be good to go. All right. If you have any questions, brother, type them in. Right here, my friends, we got us a trap information. Remember, you know, S&P 500, that's what it does. It fakes you out. It traps you all the time. It takes your money from the people that don't know what they're doing. It consistently takes their money. Period. All right. Oh, you can erase the line. Software draws it. Make sure you got it in the members area. You set up your charts the way that we have it, which I know y'all did, but all right. So we're popping back up through that key area, but watch out because there's a shark in the water right here. So we cannot Can't take that. Plus, we got manufacturing 8:45. So let's just chill out. So if you guys got something to say, if y'all want to talk, that's cool. If y'all want to talk about some crypto right now, since we're just going to wait for the news item, I'm good to go. I'm good to go. But that's, I always say this, with day trading, you can make a lot of money. But in order to make a lot of money, you got to be willing to put on the risk, right? No problem. Same with option trading, right? Yesterday, my option portfolio was up a lot. Every single trade that I was in, which is a lot, every one of them was profitable yesterday. I targeted out of 2. I just targeted out of another one. And I'm going to be honest, every single one of those trades were underwater the first day or 2. But that's why you just follow the plan. Just trade your plan. Trade your plan, and you're going to make money. Now, if you want to get rich, well, crypto's the way to do it. But you got to be smart, right? You got to buy it when it's undervalued. You got to know when it's undervalued. And then you just got to be patient. Look at this candle going up. We blasted through this, but again, after this trap, got to back off. Again, we do have that news item, and that news item is coming up in 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Flash manufacturing PMI above 50 indicates expansion. They're forecasting 48. Yeah. They're 2 versions of this report, the flash release and the final. So we'll see what happens, right? Flash manufacturing, 5 services. So we'll see. Previous 48.5 forecast. We'll see if the market likes it. I hope it does. I like this little strong candle right there. We're not doing nothing though. The news item's too close. Again, if you have any questions on our setups, right? For the strategies. Right now, we're really focusing primarily on 2 strategies. That's what I'm focusing on, my aggressive and then the advanced. The advanced has 4 setups, and the aggressive right now has 2. On the aggressive, we're still testing it out. Here's the setup number 1, trading journal. So far, 4 wins, 1 loss. And then we're sitting at 35. 35 trades so far in our noon. We have 25 wins, 9 losses. So actually 34, because this one I messed up on the journal. Or I didn't calculate. So I just kind of highlighted it. So 34 trades. Yeah, 34. 25 wins and only 9 losses. We're going to go over the results once we get 50. Right now, we're just still testing it out, right? That's how you do it, right? In order to trade, you just, first of all, you got to have a strategy. How do you get that strategy? Well, you write it down on paper, put it on the rules, and then you test it out 50 times, right? That's what we're doing. After 50, we're going to analyze the results, and we're going to make tweaks, and then we're going to do 20 more until we're dead set, and we know that it's profitable. Then we're going to scale up. Once you got a winning system, all you do is follow the plan. Been day trading the S&P, y'all know, for about 5 years. Focused every single day on this one instrument. This one instrument. All right, numbers are coming up here in just a minute. We got 50 seconds. So we're going to wait to the news item. Y'all know the rule, right? We wait a very specific amount of time after a red news item. I do not trade the actual item. I will not be trading it. The same rules apply, even to the aggressive. The same rules apply. Let's mark this level right here, right now, 1655. I'm going to make it dashed, and I'm going to make it red and a width of 2. Let's mark this level right here, 1616. Cast 2. There's the news item. Let me just draw some levels really quickly. I am going to, and again, we're not trading this news item. That's why I didn't mark these ahead of time. We're just going to mark levels. But the good news is it shouldn't affect our 9 o'clock. 89.25 market. There's our levels here. 89.25. We got a key level 76 and a key level 67. News item came out. Let me just refresh it. Right here, 57.48. So they forecasted 48.8, and it came back exactly as forecasted. Now, they forecasted 55.2. It came back 57. It said right here, above 50 indicates expansion. So we'll see. Again, I don't care about news items. I don't trade news items. I just want to know about them, because last thing you want to do is jump in a trade and then there's a news item and all of a sudden it goes against you like 20 points and you don't even know what happened. That's why we understand. That's why we pay attention to the news items, right? But we've been winning. Yesterday was a great day. The day before was a great day. I mean, it's been great days all around the board. Are we going to win every day? No. We've been winning a lot. But I understand that all we can do is follow our plan, right? And I love that y'all are becoming more confident. Jeff, you made some great words yesterday about how you just are so much more confident and you're just trusting the plan and you're just doing what you do. And that's how it works. That's why, if y'all notice too, in the option trading every day, I just been taking the trades. Like, I don't care. The world was falling apart and I was jumping in. I jumped in so many trades. Y'all know. Okay. And then they were underwater. I was getting killed. But that's how you do it. Again, whenever I saw my mentor's account down, in some days he was down over 1 million in a day. And he wouldn't even blink an eye. Like, it didn't even bother him. We were like, what the heck? You're down like $1 million plus, and you don't even care. And you know what? It's because he always said, it's not about any one day, any one trade. It's about a series of trades. And he knew, because he's been trading his plan for over 40 plus years, over 50 now, that if he just followed the plan, in the end, he was always going to be profitable. And he knew that. That's why a couple, losing in a day never bothered him. It's just like this, right? Once you got your plan and you know that, out of every X number of trades you take, this is how much you make, or what is your expectancy? I talk about expectancy in the book, right? Y'all can see it right here. I talk about expectancy all the time because I learned that expectancy is what matters the most, not winning and losing. It's what is your expectancy? Is it profitable or not? There you go. All right, so we're just waiting. We've got to wait, right? I'm going to be typing in our WebEx, right? Y'all know that's exactly what we're looking for. Okay. It's really quiet in that futures room without Charles, right? It's too hard for me to be typing in both WebExes and there and trying to trade. Charles is a futures legend. He's in France, right? Again, look at this. So right up here at that key level, what do we have? What do we have? We have a fake out, right? Look, we might have another fake out. It's information. Information. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw that line. I'm going to make it blue, and I'm going to give it a width of 1. Then I'm going to just watch this candle to see how it closes. We got to wait a certain period of time, though. No rush, no hurry. But look at that. Selling off. Market's up 16. That's good. I got targets locked and loaded. TPR took profit. I love it. Love it. Love it. That was my low. You know, those are two low probability trades. Shopify and TPR. Nailed them both. Nailed them both. All right, I'm going to clear out my active trader. So right now we're just flopping around. All right. Again, just looking at the market, I love how we fought back yesterday. You know, we opened up. We've been rising. You know, momentum's heading up. Hopefully that continues, working its way to the swing high. We'll see. Market's up 11. I have no idea what to expect today. All right, so we got us another fake out. All right. Last couple of days I put on a hedge, right, in case the market fell apart. I lost on the hedge, but again, I got a message about the hedge. Again, let me repeat. If you're locked and loaded bullish as much as I was, then you can hedge those positions just in case. It's insurance. But the goal is to not pay out on the insurance, right? That's the goal. That's how you do your stocks also, my friends. If you want to hedge, you can go to the SPY and you can hedge your stocks just in case. I talk about that inside the course. I think I got videos in the Ask Jeff section about hedging. That's a skill for your longer term investments. Pretty much, you definitely want to know how to do. Trust me. Should have did that on Walgreens, right? But now I'm just going to wait. I don't give a shit. I'll wait 3, 4, 5 years. I will never sell Walgreens for a loss. Ever. I'm either going to be right and win or be wrong and Walgreens goes out of business. Period. I've been in this game long enough to know with stock investing, you just got to be patient. All right, so here pretty soon we're about to be good, but the issue is, y'all know the rule, right? Got our little note card. I found it yesterday, right? If by 8:54 we got no entry, we got to wait. And again, the news item messed it up, but we should be fine. Our trades have been after the 30 minutes mostly anyway, so it's no big deal. Just kind of chilling, my friends, kind of chilling. We got that key level up here actually at 25. I have a 24 key level here. All right. Got any questions, my friends? Let me know. Any comments? I like your question about Doge. John, I believe Doge is going to go up from here at least, I don't know, tons. It's a meme coin, but it's Doge and Shiba are the only two meme coins that I really will like invest in. But Doge, because I mean Elon Musk, period. I believe Doge will hit eventually, you know, $5 to $10. Maybe more. I believe XRP will hit triple digits somewhere down the road. Triple digits. Not double, triple. Now, is that going to happen overnight? Nah. I think what's going to happen with XRP is once it gets up over 10 and starts working, that'll kind of be where it just stays up over 10 and works its way like in stages, 10 to 20. I mean, today I did a video and I posted it in the Discord group to check it out. It's a good one. I go over some of the price targets on XRP and Bitcoin. It's on the YouTube channel in the video, so I posted it in the, not Discord, I keep saying that, Telegram. But also it's on the YouTube channel. It was a good one today. I pointed out some really cool stuff. All right, so the reason why I'm talking is we're doing nothing, right? So what happened was, y'all know we have to wait a specific period of time. We do have a couple fake outs to the upside, but the issue is after the news item, we waited. I know through my experience of trading this that if you take these setups, like the number one, right? So aggressive, the number one setup, the longer it takes to materialize, the lower the probability. Okay. I mean, I've been working these for a long time. We have an exact set of rules, and all you've got to do is follow the rules. That's it. Nothing else. Don't just, every time you get our setup, we take the trade every time. That's how you do it, right? All right. Just keep watching. Keep watching. And again, a lot of people are at work. I know I got a lot of messages that for the holiday, they're going to be working a lot more, so they might not be able to join us live. Marco is getting his schedule changed. He might not be able to join us at all anymore. I get it. You got to work, but y'all that are here that can, that's why you got to learn this. So you don't have to like work anywhere. So you can do this full time whenever you want. I understand some people can't just jump and do it full time, but the reality is, you know, for those of you that are here live, you can. And again, those of you that, you know, in the members area, university, your schedules might be jacked up, but make sure you stick to it, because once you start it rolling, you got, and I know, man, poor Mark, I don't think Marco's going to be able to join us anymore. He said that his work schedule is just completely flipped. It is what it is, right? We go on. You guys are, mine very simple. I'm going to trade this every day. You keep showing up here, I'm going to call out what I'm doing. You know, my goal is to explain my rules and trade for those of you that, you know, want to learn it, which y'all do. Y'all are here. That shit works, man. It works like I constantly win. I was down $75,000 plus my first 2 years of trying to trade. I made it all back and then some. My normal position size is 50 contracts on the advance. 50. You wait till we get this other one squared away. I'll be dropping 50 plus on those too. Once we got the rules ironed out, we got the expectancy, I'm gonna light it up. That's the way it works. You just got to be patient while you're testing. All right, 67. Let's triple up. So I've got 3 key levels stacked on top of each other, right? The demand zone, aggressive buying. This area right here could be the low of the day. It may not, but it's a strong area. I am going to get ready to type in our key levels on the VIX. All right. I'm just typing it in over there. Still got 30 seconds. So it's looking like this level is going to stand. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this minor key level into a major key level. Again, if you have any questions on what we're doing, y'all know the drill, because we are about to get ready. So remember here, oh, I better get set up. I'm going to be looking to go long with the aggressive setup number 1. Here in just a second. And again, I'm brand new testing it, but I will add. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and mark the levels. Let's get ready to go. So I will be looking to go long here in a second on an aggressive setup 1, add aggressive setup 2. And again, I'm also watching the advance. So it's going to be hard for me to call out. I'm going to do my best. But I'm only trading right now the aggressive and the advanced. That's where I'm laser focused on. That's plenty of trades. We've been averaging 2-3 trades pretty much a day. Yesterday was quite a bit of trades, actually. All right. Let's be patient. As soon as we get our signal, we go for it. Remember, on the aggressive, we're testing it out. But I'm brand new on setup number 1. That's only been like 4 or 5 trades. You do not have to do that. You can let me test it, and then I'll go over the results once we get 50 trades, right? And then on the aggressive setup 2, or more trades into that one. But we're still in pure testing mode. All right. Just being patient. I'm going to be looking to go long. Ticks are up. Everything looks good. That's the direction I want to go. That's the direction I want to go. Love to get some pop. Have this bad boy follow through. That would be fantastic. I will add to the trade multiple times if necessary. Multiple. We get in. We test the water. If it starts to work, we can add. If it goes against us, we dump. That's the way it goes, right? I'm almost going to do it. I'm going to wait just a second here. Give me a couple seconds here. I might just go ahead and do again, an aggressive 1. All right, I'm going to do it. But I'll jump right out. Remember, I will jump right out. And I might add to this trade also. It's pretty much the same where it's at, so I won't add yet. I'm in this trade long, but I'm watching it very carefully. What happened? Oh, wow, that opened up late. That was weird. I'm going to be going for 20. But I will jump right out if necessary. Okay, so I'm watching. And that was an aggressive setup number 1. Brand new. Testing it out. Just watching. Okay, I'm going to go flat on that one. Okay. Again, that setup was fine. Testing the waters. That's why we only do 1. We get back and watch. Looking for that move to pop up. Right? Didn't there. That's fine. Let's keep watching. And again, if you're doing just the aggressive, the setup 2, the one we normally, there was really no opportunity. I wouldn't have got in. It was too small. But now we're going to watch. The ticks have flipped negative on us. Okay. So let me go ahead and just clear out the active trader. Stay in the game here. We'll see what happens. Again, all you can do is take your shots, right? Doesn't matter. Just every time you get a valid setup, you take it. Right? It is what it is. We don't know what's going to happen, but what we do know is we can control when we get in and when we get out, period. Yeah, market, again, last several days, the market has went down, but then fought back. So we know there's buyers in this market. Okay. Just keep chilling, right? Kind of, we could look to take a bounce off of this 76 area and advanced only. Inside this area, you're not allowed to trade except the advance. And we could look to take a bounce off of this area, which I will look to do that if it happens. But we got to activate this key level, right? Can I just do a lot of talking? But if you don't understand what I'm talking about, like activate the level, just type it in our WebEx. Because I'm not teaching the rules. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, right? It's up to you to know what we're talking about. That's how you get better. But you take your shots when you take your shots. And if I was focusing just on the aggressive, not the new one, I would have never taken that shot. So you should be fine. Okay. Working our way back up. Okay, right now we're kind of in no man's land, right? In no man's land, right? The ticks, the ES, the VIX, it's all a representation of each other. You're trying to decipher the clues every day, right? That's what we're trying to do. Decipher the clues. That's all trading is, man. All right, so I am going to type something in our group right now. Okay, I'm in our WebEx, our private WebEx. So now I'll just say it. I will not, okay, look what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm talking about that. If it pops, I will not be taking the setup number 1 on the aggressive to the downside. Only setup 2, okay? I will not be taking setup 1 to the downside. Only setup 2. I'm only going to take setup 1 in the aggressive one time. It either works or it doesn't. That's it. Because again, I'm testing it out and I want to be the same every time. Just so you know. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have no videos on the aggressive in the members area, but that's why you're coming here every day, right? You guys are here every day. Brandon, Jeff, John, Malik. And again, there's a lot of people at work right now that can't hear Rafa. I think Mark's doing some stuff. Marco, he's working. I mean, Dr. Al, haven't seen him in a while. He's been working too. Like, everybody's doing their thing. But this is why you got to learn this stuff really well so you don't have to do that stuff anymore. You can literally just, like Charles, right? How much money does Charles make a day trading? Thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every day. You know why? Because he has his plan and he executes it every day, just like we do. Right? Again, market right now is not doing nothing. The one thing beautiful about our system is if the market moves, we're going to be involved. If it doesn't, usually we don't do nothing. All right, so I'm going to be looking to, if we can bounce off of this key level, I will take an aggressive entry to the upside. I'm sorry, not an aggressive. Advance, my bad. So I'm going to be looking to go long. Again, I'll tell you what I'm doing. But we'll see. We got to hold this key level, right? I'd love to see us bounce and go up. Okay. There's several things that we might be doing here. Market's fighting, giving it up. Right down to the VWAP. All right, so we're breaking through there. See if we can hold that level. Look at there, fighting right there. Just constantly doing stuff, okay? I'm working on my setup number 3 to the upside. Buyers came in around the VWAP. I'd love to take a bounce. Ooh, that's close. Again, you got to know what you... Again, if you're not comfortable with the advance, don't do it. But I'm looking to go long if I can get a signal. This candle closes in 30 seconds. A lot of it depends on how it closes, too. I'm watching it. Market's up 3. We've got 10 seconds left in this candle, depending on how it closes. All right, so setup number 3 is off the table, invalidated. So now we keep waiting. Right now, we're working our way towards a downside, so I'm going to be looking to go short here pretty soon, to be honest with you. It's crazy. All right. Let me just start looking at some stuff. Well, I'll wait. So I'll be looking to take an aggressive trade short. Remember, I'm only focusing on the advance and the aggressive. That's it. Nothing else right now. That's all I can handle. Just keep being patient. Just watch. We're going to know if something's going to happen. Market's kind of just not doing much, right? It's not doing much. Might have a trap of that key level, right? We're still inside this range. There's no institutional presence right now. We need evidence that this market is about to move. That's what we live for. And we're going to know if it happens. So let me just kind of call out what I'm looking at. Okay, if we can pop up through here, I'm looking to do the advanced, okay, setup number 1. And I will also do the aggressive setup number 2. Okay? Y'all been here long enough. You know what I'm talking about. If you don't, it's your responsibility to type it in the chat. So I'm still on the sidelines doing nothing. No Momo. All right. Let's see what happens. Come on. Come on, baby. Ticks from positive. They're living in this range right here, right? This is Chop Fest range. We want to see him come up here or get down here, preferably to the upside because I still have a lot of positions on. So I could use the market being up a very strong day today. So maybe I can hit some more targets and start to breathe a little bit easier. Market is kind of, I mean, it's pretty weak right now. All right. How's the Dow Jones? Dow Jones is up 192. Wow. So we got oil up, silver's up, gold's up. Gold's actually up pretty nicely. Gold has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. Gold has went up nicely 5 days in a row. All right. Oil been working its way back up. Dow Jones 203, nice bounce, just like the S&P, working its way up to resistance. NASDAQ, though, it did bounce, but it's kind of just chopping around sideways. Russell 2000 looks great, right? Bitcoin, man. So everything looks pretty good right now. The market is just, it's halfway between support and resistance on the daily time frame. This is all noise. You got support, you got resistance. Everything in the middle is just noise. Remember that. Market's up 5. Absolutely doing nothing. I don't mind if it does nothing. I just don't want it to really finish down big. I don't have to drop another bomb on my insurance. I've done 2 days in a row on my damn insurance. But we've been hitting targets. I'm not going to lie. There was a time I was in 9 trades the other day. 9 trades at the same time. That's 1 away from my maximum, right? I'm only allowed to do 10 trades, swing trades. But I've targeted out of 3 of them already. Come on, baby. Give us some juice. Bitcoin. Let's go. I just have to say that. Fucking crypto's it's crazy, dude. It's crazy. I love it. It's been doing shit for like 7 years, man. XRP's been torturing me for 7 years, man. Torturing. I mean, torturing. Telling everybody how great it is, and everybody's like, man, XRP sucks. It ain't moving. And they'll call me back. You still in XRP? You still think it's great? Yeah. Guess what? Now they're calling, oh shit. You might have been right. Yeah. I know I'm right. It's a fact, Jack. I've been doing research in crypto for over 7 years. I started crypto in November of 2017. So this month, 7 years ago. I was approached to get into crypto in 2013, but I thought it was magic internet money. So I didn't do it. Boy, how things will be different if I did. XRP was like 1/3 of 1 penny. It wasn't even a penny. It was like way less than a penny. I'm talking because I don't want y'all to do anything right now. There's nothing to do. The market is super flat. Super flat. I'm going out of town next Wednesday for the Thanksgiving break, so I'm going to be gone Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But I mean, it's Thanksgiving anyway. I'm sure all of y'all are going to be occupied too. And I'll come back Sunday. Get this bad boy rolling. Next year, 2025, y'all better strap the crypto hats on because I'm going to have to put more attention into that than anything else. Because I'm planning on selling almost every single thing I own. and when it runs. It's going to be very difficult because we're going to want to hang on to it. It's going to be hard. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be hard. So that's going to take a lot of focus. I mean, just look what's going on right now. Nothing. It's very boring, right? We're about to be 1 hour into it. It's not even nothing. There was one potential crack. Didn't do nothing. Jumped in on an aggressive one. Didn't work out, but, you know, in and out really quickly. That's the name of the game. Lose properly, win properly, right? Damn, this is the most boring thing I've ever seen, dude. Make sure you join our Telegram group, right? For crypto, that's going to be specifically on crypto. I'm just trying to keep it separate than everything else. Right now, patience. If this market decides to move, we're going to be, we'll see it. We'll see it. Basically, it's right where it's inside the opening 3-minute range. The opening 3-minute range. Right now. At any moment, we could take off. Dow Jones is up 200. Russell 2000 is up. So I mean, might just be a choppy day, which is very difficult to trade, right? These choppy days. Wow. Well, pretty big. JCI and FITB are my next potential 50%ers within 5 days. All right. We might be picking up a little bit to the downside. We'll see. I'll trade that way. You better believe it. All right, I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look on the going short. Probably the 91s. Okay, probably the 91s. And again, it is what it is, right? We'll see. I'm not doing it yet, but I'm looking at both the advance and the aggressive, both. Okay. Market's flat. It's got to do something pretty soon, though. We're sitting on the VWAP. We get our setup, we take it, no matter what. Ooh, look at that. Fighting around a VWAP. Shit. Days like today, you really got to focus on your plan or you will just get destroyed. This market's doing nothing. Look at a hammer. Hammer, pin bar, right around our key level. I mean, look at that key level. Right of activity around that key level. What's going on, Justin? You know what? Oil's been going up quite a bit, man. Oil's been looking really good as of late. We're just talking about that. It's been steadily climbing up. So I don't think that's a bad play at all. Just follow your plan, right? Unless you're investing. I mean, at the end of the day, Justin, it's like, I do like oil stocks. Last year, my two biggest winners were ExxonMobil and Chevron. And it was the stock. It wasn't even the option. It was the stock. But yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you. All right, y'all. So this is from a day trading standpoint right now. This is where you got to be careful because there is nothing going on. Last thing you want to do is start firing away and getting destroyed. Yeah, we don't want that shit to happen, right? And Justin, if you're into crypto, join my Telegram group. I'm just learning it, but I'm going to be only talking about crypto and stuff in there. Only crypto in there, not day trading, right? Just going to shoot the shit. I think it's in the, I don't think it's in the description. You know, I'm going to type this for you. Hang on a second. I'm going to come back to this. Just keep watching for me. Make sure that, all right, hang on. Let me go back to the chart. Y'all need to join, y'all. Jeff, John, y'all need to join it. I don't know much about it, but I'm planning on doing some live streams and just shooting, doing like a little podcast, dude. Just shooting the shit. And I'm trying to keep them separated, right? You know, I'm mainly about that. It's free. I mean, it doesn't cost anything. We're not going to be like, we're just going to shoot the shit and talk. I'm not going to be like teaching anything. That's for the school, but we'll be talking about crypto, right? I'll be probably doing some, like I said, just doing some lives, hanging out. I'm going to be really paying a lot of attention to crypto probably forever now. All right, so I'm still watching. We might, God, we've come down here many times. Oh, shit, I think my wife left her phone. Hang on. Damn. She left her phone. Oh, no. She left her phone. What's up, Andy?
Morning, Jack.
What's up?
How you guys all doing?
Hey, go. We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Nothing going on here. It's pretty boring. All right, I saw you join, Justin. Good job. Andy, make sure you join that. Are you into crypto at all, Andy?
I'm starting to get into it.
Get in my Telegram group, brother. I'm trying to keep it separate. I'm trying to keep it separate from WhatsApp. It's not a coaching group. We're just going to shoot the shit, talk crypto. I'll probably be going live, doing some stuff, and I want to do all my crypto in there. But yeah, I don't think.
Cool.
I posted the link. I don't know if you can see it. You just popped in, but
yeah, I see it. Tiny URL link.
Yeah, it's free anyway. It don't cost nothing. All right, guys. So let's look here to go short. So I'm going to be looking to go short. You know, let me kind of got sidetracked there for a minute. This kind of came out of nowhere, but I forgot what I was looking at. But the 91s. Oh shit! This is happening fast. Happening fast. The 91s. Shit happens too fast. Okay. Oh wow. Aggressive's off the. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna go short right now on an aggressive setup number 1. The advance is off the table. So now I'm going to be watching. Again, just taking a shot, right? Taking a shot. This market's not doing much. But we're going to go for... Ooh, look at that. Remember, this is the number 1, so I don't want you to be taking it unless you're like really comfortable. Wait for the aggressive setup number 2, right? Because look what's happening. It is extremely choppy. Gonna jump out. I'm gonna jump out. I got noises. I think I just targeted out on something. What did I target? Hang on a second. Again, there was no entry on an aggressive setup number 2. No entry. Man, Andy, I've been nailing some targets. We got some good option stuff to talk about today. I was in like 9 trades, man. 9. And I'm gonna be honest. They were underwater and they were all profitable yesterday and just cruising along now. So
crazy, good stuff.
It is, man. It is. Guys, look at this. Nothing. So we are actually, look at that. And then we had, wow, this is difficult. There's actually no momentum, right? Kind of started to think about it. Again, if you're doing the aggressive number 2, there's been no entry. You shouldn't have taken a trade. Again, I'm throwing out a couple, alternatives, testing them out, but that's how you do it. Okay. So you used to be in crypto a lot. Yeah. I'm going to be doing a lot more talking about crypto because that's where that's a big opportunity. Big opportunity. So I'll do more about it in that Discord. Plus, I shot my video today. And I try to post a video in the morning about, XRP and crypto. It's really good. I have more views on my last video than I've ever got in probably like ever. I don't even know why I did so good. I was freaking out. Look at it go back up. What the fuck, dude? So here's the deal. This is awful. And I'll tell you this. That's the casino floor right there. Awful. Awful, awful, awful. So here's the way I would play this game. Number 1, okay, so I'm going to just tell you kind of that strategy. On the advanced, to the upside, setups 2 through 4. To the downside, setups 4, not 3. 2 through 4, okay? On the aggressive, to the upside, setup number 2. To the downside, setup number 2. That's the path going forward. And this is a mess, okay? This is a mess. If it blows, it blows. So this is what we're going to do. I'm not going to mess around with this stuff, right? Because it's going to take a while to develop. Y'all know what to do. Justin, thanks for popping in. If you ever want to join us inside the members area, come on in. I'm going to do right now. We're going to pump off YouTube. We're going to stay inside the members area. We'll do a Q&A. We're going to get into option swing trading. I'm in a lot of trades. We're going to talk about them. And again, I'll answer any questions related to this. Have a good, great weekend. We'll see you inside. The Telegram group. For those of you in here in the WebEx, don't go nowhere. All right, Jay. Have a good weekend, Justin. Peace out. All right, y'all.